loving, caring. This is my family.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are preparing
Aloo Dum Biryani. Let's peel potato skin. Potato skin. For Aloo Dum Biryani, I have chosen small potatoes. Why? Because in Dum Biryani, small potatoes boils quickly, and when we marinate the small potatoes, it absorbs masalas, so that we get a nice taste because of the small size. Let's prepare brown onions. Oil. Onions. Water. Natural spices. Green chilies. Salt. Brown onions ready. Ghee. I'm also adding some oil. Spices. Potatoes. Salt. Turmeric powder. Red chilli powder. Ginger garlic paste. Homemade biryani masala. Green chilies. Curd. Coriander and mint leaves. Brown onions. I have added all enough ingredients, so nice smell is coming out. Definitely recipe also comes very well. Wow, nice aroma. You can see nice color, nice texture. This gravy is the main soul for the recipe. If you can make gravy successful, the recipe also perfectly comes out. Wow, everything is perfect. Potatoes are marinating on slow flame. By the time we are preparing rice here, You can see it will take some time to boil the water. Then we will add soaked basmati rice. Lemon juice. Let's add some protein also. Soya chunks.
Ready? Ready?
Now water is boiling. It's time to add soaked basmati rice. Let it cook for 80%. Cashew nuts. Rice 80% cooked.
వాటర్ వచ్చినాయి కదా
జల్లిగి నేను వంపి తీసుకోవడం బెటర్ అని చూస్తున్నా.
ఉడకాలి కదా లోపల
Brown onions. Coriander and mint leaves. Ghee.
ఆతులు ఆతులు
Let's pack with leaves. On high flame for 15 minutes. Then we will reduce the flame. It's time to reduce the flame.
వావ్
Wow. Wow. Perfectly boiled. Wow. Nice potato dum biryani. Nice aroma.
పొటాటో
Oh,
పట్టుకుని స్మాష్ అయిపోతుంది
it's very hot. What a combination. I'll smash this potato like this and I'll put some rice on top of it and I add few soya chunks to it and I also add some masala for the spicy. Wow. Now I will taste it. It's a perfect combination. We prepared mutton biryani, chicken biryani and mixed biryani, so many biryanis. Today we came up with a special potato dum biryani, aloo dum biryani. It is also awesome recipe. Try at your home. Aloo dum biryani, super!
తినుకుంటా